Hey YouTube, just a quick update on everything that's going on with the way the world is right now. It's kind of tough to get some projects done, and so I'm kind of waiting and seeing how things pan out before I make some more purchases for the car and for the build. But until then, I wanted to film a video of the inside of the cabin noise when riding on coilovers and with a muffler delete. I've received many questions in the comments and many DMs on Instagram about what it's like driving with a muffler delete and what the drone is like and all that stuff. So this video will highlight some of those things for you guys. And if you have any more questions, put them in the comments below. Thank you so much for the support, and follow me on Instagram if you have not already. All right, so here's the video.